There are many reasons that may contribute towards the failure of a business, but some mistakes are more common than others and also quite avoidable. For example, when running a boutique, a common mistake may turn out to be not having a target audience. Garments have many variety, and if you do not decide upon a particular kind that you wish to sell, it will all just be a hodgepodge. You must figure out what kind of people, which demographic you want to target before you start selling garments, rather than putting in a products that you think people will like and risking the chance of not selling anything. Another mistake turned out to be lack of originality. If your boutique is just copy pasting garments from others' boutiques and designers at the same price and everything, you will soon face failure. Carrying unique products is a proven strategy to sustain a business. If you have one of a kind product or the items, you can also control the price as there will be less competition in the market. Of course, you can find inspiration from famous designers and brands, but make sure to add something only you can offer to it. Another cause of premature death of a business may turn out to be overstocking inventory. Say you spend large sums of money and then eventually run out of items to sell. That's fine. But say you have an excess amount of inventory that you cannot sell. That is a huge loss and many may prove fatal or business. The key here is maintaining a balance between the demand and the stock. A way to do so is selling test products and observing how people receive it. If the test products have a positive response, there is a good chance that people will receive the original product with a similar enthusiasm. Another cause of the problem may be having garments that are all very similar. Lack of variety and lack of new products will end up boring your customer and they will move on to a boutique with more variety. To combat this, try launching new clothes or collections periodically. Experiment with different styles and try to keep your stock fresh. In a business like a boutique, this is all the more important as new fashions get in and out of style very regularly. So it is quite important to keep up with the trends. Keep tabs on the fashion industry so you know what garments are currently popular and try not to stagnate. If the clothes you sell are on the cheaper side, then you will need to add significantly more new styles into your collection. However, if you sell expensive clothing, you would have a larger window for introducing the next pieces. The next thing should be able to create the garment on demand. This is in parallel with keeping the inventory properly stocked. Clothes that are popular should always be in your stock as the order can come in any time. If you take too long to create something and your customers feel like they can get the same item from somewhere else in less time, then they will not support your business. Small margin can also be problematic when running a boutique business. Make sure that the cost you are selling your garments is what you get after considering the money spent on shipping, packaging, promotion, and profits. If the margin is too low, you will end up losing a substantial amount of money. The materials used, labor expended, everything should be taken in account. This, however, does not mean that the garment should be overpriced. Keep the price fair. Nowadays, a business may also fail due to lack of marketing. How will people buy from you if they do not know that your shop exists? Market your business vigorously, both online and in person. Distribute pamphlets and flyers. Advertise on social media. If possible, make the opening of a boutique grant. Advertise your items rigorously. Hold competitions actively. Interact with all the customers. Ask for criticism openly and make it known to your customers that their opinions matter to you. A business should have an audience to flourish, and that audience should grow with the business. However, do not outsource your marketing. Marketing is a crucial and money consuming business, and it's best to oversee it yourselves. Be wary of marketing gurus or brand strategists. Hire the wrong person may ruin your business before it's even begun. Another way to market your boutique is to work with influencers. This is quite effective as influencers have a pre-existing fan base that can also be full of potential customers. Be careful while choosing an influencer. Make sure that their fans consist of your target audience and that the influencers themselves doesn't have a bad image or a controversial image. Associating with bad names will ruin the image of your business as well. Avoid hiring friends and family members when possible. This may lead to clashes of interest and talent as you may not be comfortable criticizing them harshly. Choose staff members that are talented and have knowledge of the field. Do not hesitate to fire staff that do not work or do not do good work. Bad staff members will only drain your money.